Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. In today's video, I will tell you how to use calculator in Tally ERP 9. So let's start. Now, why you need calculator in Tally? Calculator is used in Tally to calculate the accounting vouchers or to calculate the amount of salary you need to pay to the employees. So in that case, there is a feature given by Tally, that is calculator. So how to activate this calculator? To activate calculator, first you need to press Ctrl plus N. Okay, so you can see over here the calculator is activated. Okay, in the corner the calculator is activated. The key is to activate calculator, the key is Ctrl plus N. Press Ctrl plus N and the calculator is open. Now how to use this calculator? Suppose you want to multiply any number, for example 45 multiply by 8, just press enter and you will get the answer. Okay, so 45 multiply by 8, 360 is the answer. Now you want to add any number, you can add, suppose 5000 plus 600 780, enter. Or you want to deduct any amount like 6000 minus 4000, press enter for the answer and you will get the answer. So in this way you can use calculator for in Tally while passing the journal entries. So I hope you have understood how to use the calculator in Tally. You can do any calculation in Tally while passing the accounting voucher or inventory voucher, for calculating the balance sheet also. So I hope you have understood the key also. The key to activate the calculator is Ctrl plus N. I will repeat again, Ctrl plus N to activate calculator. So I hope you have understood. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video.